Good morning. This is Bill from out of Europa, Naples, and I'm here today with a 2011 Mercedes-Benz E350 Cabriolet. Now, over the last few years, I've probably done dozens and dozens of these cars. They're a very popular car amongst our clientele. They're a very popular car in Naples. They're a very popular car overall. And you'd think, after all of these cars, all of these E-cabs, one after the other, that, I'd get a bit tired of them. And in fact, I haven't. In fact, I love every time I get to take one home and do one. Because not only is every E-cab an individual and kind of a neat, specialized car from Mercedes-Benz, they're just an absolute joy to drive. They're fun, they're good looking, the top goes down, they're comfortable, and they do everything that they're supposed to do correctly, including look good, which this one does. It's finished in a beautiful gray metallic outside. It has a blue top, which is a very nice touch. It has the AMG Sport package, so it's got those big twin-spoke 5-star alloys. Very aggressive front end on this car. I love the angular lights, and my favorite feature on these 2011s are the 4-round fog and cornering lights at the bottom. It just gives it kind of a sinister, cool look. Also a beautiful star in the grille. No big star riding on top of the hood, just a muted ornament. Very, very sporty, very lovely, and everything that a Mercedes-Benz is supposed to be. You can see the rearview mirrors have that great pickle fork design. Looks really, really cool. That gives you the signals on the outside so people can see them. They may guess that you're turning left or right if you actually use the damn things. Again, look at the 5-star alloys on there, the AMG Sport package, beautiful. Big twice pipes at the back with a diffuser at the bottom. Very, very cool. You've got a shark fin antenna, lovely chrome accents everywhere, not too much, just exactly the right amount. And again, I just love this car. So here's the correct way to own and drive it. Let's put the top down on that thing, which I can do by pressing and holding this unlock button. You see the windows go down, top lifts up at the back. I'm going to pause here in the middle of it so you can see something. All right, let me stop there. It's going to beep at me probably in anger, but this is a soft cloth top. And, there's some debate over hard top versus soft top, and, hard top is the next gen and it's better. Well, hard top does offer some advantages, but so does the soft top. So it really isn't a generational thing where the hard top has replaced it. There's still a lot to be said for both. And Mercedes-Benz, of course, gives you a fantastic soft top. Look at the thickness of the insulation in this thing. Look at the engineering. It is designed to ride very, very quiet. And, when the top is up, it just doesn't sound like a convertible. It sounds like a coupe. And because it's a soft top, it also takes less space to store it. It has a neat little compartment back there for it. And frankly, ease of maintenance and replacement. Very, very different from a hard top. So don't discount a car just because it has a, cloth soft top. There's a lot of advantages to that. You can also see a very attractive headliner in there, beautifully finished. Just a lovely car. So I'm going to go back to pressing my unlock button. Down goes the top. And down comes the cover. Nice. So if I wanted to do that in reverse, that would work as well. I could press and hold the lock button, the top will come up, and everybody would be real happy. So let's start inside the trunk. All right, I'm going away on a little trip, so I've got it jammed up full of my stuff. Sorry about that, but when I go on my video runs, I don't like coming back. So you can see your overnight is just fine. There's plenty of room in front of that, so if I had suitcases, it wouldn't be a problem. Also, if I had the top up, I could push this big partition forward and reclaim all the space where that soft top is. Then you're getting golf clubs in, suitcases. Very, very practical 4-seat convertible. These little guys, people always ask me what these are, which is not immediately intuitive. When the top goes back, it has a little catch that slides in there. Just that simple. That holds the soft top down. Look under the hood of this thing. All right, so under here is a 3.5 liter, 268 horsepower V6. Very, very silky smooth, very exceptional engine. That's mated to a 7-speed automatic, and because it's sport package, it's paddle shifter. If you choose, flippity flips, nice stuff. On this super low mileage Florida car, you can see everything mint under the hood, no issues at all very proper. You know, if you were going to show this E-Cab, it wouldn't be a problem. No oil leaks, everything goes through the shop, gets checked out, fixed accordingly if needed. And we're just not going to sell you a car that needs anything. And this one doesn't. It's fantastic under the hood of this car. All right, so let's have a look inside. Here we have a beautiful two-tone, lovely dove gray with black. Very, very nice setup, very proper. I love having the black surround on the light leather because in a convertible, of course, the top's down a lot, so dirt becomes a factor. You take it to the beach, whatever. When you have the light seats, you get to benefit from that, from the coolness of them. And, of course, the black carpet means you're not going to show every little bit of wear inside the car. So really, really nice stuff. It has bird's eye maple wood, beautiful dark wood, nickel trim, lovely. Of course, Mercedes-Benz, good fit and finish, fantastic quality materials. They just do that stuff lovely. This big chrome handle, when you lift forward, it rolls the seat to give you access to the back. You can see very nice seating for two. You don't have to be a kid to get back there. Adults will fit. They may not be thrilled, but they'll fit. You got a great little roller wooden compartment here with cup holders. Nice stuff. Harman Kardon sub down there. The center armrest, when it's open, you can also pull out the back and it gives you long cargo storage. So if you have your ski poles or sniper rifles or, whatever you take with you, you can run them right through the back and, close the trunk. All right. Now, this does have orthopedic seats. You see all of this. That's really great stuff. You can really adjust them how you like. It also has heat scarf, which in conjunction with the heated seats will sort of waft warm air out of those vents to, listen to that, we got weed whackers down there. God, I've been spoiled for that. We haven't heard them in a while. Now they're back. Let's see. Things going wide open, too. Yeah, look at that. Lawn crew at the end of the street. Oh, God, and people are still sleeping. I suppose it's almost 8. All right, let's hop in. So we're going to fire it up. Get the key in. Nice key tip. There you see a fantastic self-test on the... Come on now. Turn the radio down. On the instrument cluster. Beautiful sort of satin aluminum with white and black face gauges. You got a driver information center in the middle. Beautifully laid out instrument cluster, which is just typical for a Mercedes-Benz. Also a very nice optional wood and leather steering wheel. Beautiful to grip. You got the flippity paddles as part of that AMG package. Over here you got automatic lights. You got your fog lights, cruise control, wipers, that sort of thing. Everything lovely. We also have voice command in the steering wheel, so if I want to change the radio station from NPR, which is really depressing me this morning, and go on to some sort of, old man rock stuff, let's say. 94.5. Fantastic. What do we got? I can't say I recognize this song at all. Probably came out in the 90s. Anyway, everything lovely there. You see just 41,000 miles on the clock. You got that little coffee cup. That's part of the driver awareness program. It sort of scans your eyeballs as you're going down the road, scans your driving, and, we'll come up with a little message saying, hey, you look like crap. Stop and get some coffee, for Christ's sake, before you kill somebody. So, nice feature there from Mercedes. Now, it does have seatbelt presenters. You see they're back now because I was dallying. But if I press, where's our little button here? Oh, come on. I know I got a button somewhere. There it is. Press that guy. Out comes the presenter again, hands me the belt. Click it in. The belt does have Mercedes-Benz pre-safe technology, so it tightens up a little bit to make sure you're snug and, keeps you safe in the event of calamity. This is a power steering column, up, down, and out, of course. Over here you got Mercedes-Benz COMAND unit. That gives you your AM, FM, your monotone weather band.
Visibility may be suddenly reduced.
Suddenly reduced.
Driving conditions.
Okay. Also, of course, your satellite radio. Being a well-equipped car, this also gives you the reverse cam. Nice stuff. Bluetooth telephone and navigation. So very, very lovely there. And this little joystick controls, you know, on top of these buttons here, the joystick, you can go around and do stuff. You can change your map orientation. Let's see that. Let's get a 3D map. I like that because it gives you clouds. Very cool. Over here again, beautiful wood trim. You got some books in the glove box. Nice stuff. In-dash CD, memory card, heated seats. Let me get a little of that going. Your dual climate control down there. You got an actual genuine ashtray because the Germans maybe still smoke, but never been used in this car. Over here you've got your cup holders. And then if you flip open that little panel, this will run the whole top. This will run all 4 windows. And then this runs the air cap system. So when I press that, the screen comes up at the back and at the front on this header panel. And that really keeps wind noise down while you're driving. Also has the blind spot assist and self-dimming mirrors. Very, very nice touch. Keeps you safe. And everyone's going to be real happy. So all that said, let's go for a spin. Now, one of my favorite features of the E-Cab is that you can run the top while you're driving. Look at those bastards with their weed whackers in the morning. Good Lord. When are they going to get electric? We need to get Elon Musk working on electric weed whackers. I had one once. I was able to do like 68% of my lawn before it needed to be recharged for 38 hours. Maybe technology has changed now. All right, so let's see what we got. I'm going to run the top, drive with my knee, and be a traffic menace, but we'll give it a shot. So press down on the button. In the rear view, you can see the top's coming up. You got a convertible top in operation. Warning there, and away we go. So, you know, if you decide it looks like rain or you got a nasty, foggy morning like today, you don't feel like stopping, up to 25, 30 miles an hour, you can run the top, get yourself all situated nicely, and keep going down the road. Well, there you see I went over 25 and it didn't like that. There we go. Now we're set. So, yeah, you can't go down the highway and do it, but, you know, in slow city driving or through your neighborhood, it'd be just fine. And, of course, ditto, that works in the other direction. So let me pull back on the top. And as we go down the road, we can get the nice wind in our hair again. So anyway, there it is, 2011 Mercedes-Benz E350 Cabriolet. Fantastic car, 41,000 miles. Beautiful color combination, good options, 4 seats. Nothing not to love about this thing. Give us a call, 239-649-7300, on the web at mercedesexpert.com. Thank you so much for having a look. We appreciate it. We'll see you with the next one. Take care.